I want to be honest from the onset of this project. Casting a guitar is not my original idea. A bunch of months ago, I saw a video by Burl's Art entitled, "I Melted 1,000 Cans into a Guitar." As a musician, there are two non-musical projects that I've wanted to do. Build my own drum set and build my own guitar. The drum set would be easy. I would buy the shells I wanted, buy the specific hardware I wanted, and I could put it all together. A guitar, on the other hand, would require skills I don't want to spend time acquiring. I figured I could buy a kit and go that route. Since I already have a couple of guitars, the guitar build just didn't hit the passion level. Until I saw Burl Art's video. A few weeks after that, I decided which guitar I would try, and I ordered it up. This is a Pango Music Factory guitar kit, PWT-815. I went with this style for a couple of reasons. One, I already have both a Strat and Les Paul body guitars. I almost went with a Flying V, too. Secondly, though, my inner 80s high school childhood was calling out to me. This guitar is not nearly as sexy as a Strat or Les Paul, but it did hold a place in some of my musical development as a kid. I like the idea of the neck and fretboard all assembled. I won't have to learn any fret positioning and installing skills for that. And then if worse comes to worse and I'm not able to successfully cast the neck, I can install the kit neck to the cast body. The rest of the gear here is hardware and electronics. In between teaching gigs, I was an electronic technician for Hewlett-Packard, later Agilent Technologies, before most of the manufacturing was sent to Malaysia in the early 2000s. I'm pretty confident I can get the circuitry to work. I've ordered up some hot rails to swap out the single coil pickups in my Squier Strat, so I'll have a practice run before I wire up this guitar. I've always loved that humbucker sound over the single coil sound. I just didn't know it until after I bought my Squier, which was before I picked up a friend's Les Paul. This guitar is the second of two multi-stage projects. Actually, it's the first one I planned to do, but the kit took a long time to get to me after I put in the initial order, coming all the way from China. Between the time I put in the order and the time I received the kit, another project came to mind, and I want to get that one done before school starts, which will be obvious when you see all of that done. By the time I got to the voiceover on this footage, I discovered that I needed to rethink how I was going to approach this project. So the multi-stage project picked up at least one more stage. Thanks a whole bunch for watching. If you found this video entertaining, informative, or any such things like that in any way, shape, or form, please like and subscribe. Blessings.